Today we will talk about top 8 home remedies for vaginal thrush. So we hope you watch this video carefully until the end to know everything properly. Vaginal thrush is a type of infection that most women suffer from. In fact, it affects up to 3 out of 4 women at some point in their lifetimes. Some women may even experience more than one episode of it. Vaginal thrush, also known as a vaginal yeast infection or Candida vaginitis, occurs due to excessive growth of yeast in the vagina. Under normal circumstances, the vagina contains a balanced mix of yeast, including Candida, and bacteria. The bacteria produce acid, which prevents yeast overgrowth. When the balance between the naturally occurring yeast and good bacteria gets disrupted, it causes a yeast infection. The most common symptom of vaginal thrush is itching in the vagina and the vulva, which may be severe. Other symptoms include a burning sensation with urination, white and thick vaginal discharge having an appearance like cottage cheese, severe pain during intercourse, and redness and soreness around the vagina. Though not classified as a sexually transmitted infection, this problem is more common in women who are frequently sexually active. Some of the other risk factors include taking antibiotics, pregnancy, uncontrolled diabetes, impaired immunity, HIV/AIDS, and use of oral contraceptives or hormone therapy that increases estrogen levels in the body. Most cases of vaginal thrush are easily treatable. If you would like to avoid taking prescription medication, you can give natural home remedies a try. At first, we will talk about some additional tips to reduce your risk of vaginal thrush, then the top home remedies for vaginal thrush. Okay, now let's start. Avoid douching because it can kill good bacteria in the vagina that prevent infections. Eat a well-balanced, whole food diet that includes vegetables, whole grains, fish and lean meat. Wear cotton underwear and loose-fitting pants or skirts. Do not wear tight-fitting underwear or pantyhose. If your clothes are wet, change them immediately. Eliminate sugar, junk foods and food additives from your diet. Clean only the outside areas of your vagina with gentle soap and water. Limit the use of antibiotics. Avoid hot tubs and very hot baths. Avoid using scented tampons or pads. Change your underwear daily and wash them in hot water. Avoid using powders and fragrance sprays in the genital area. Here are the top 8 home remedies for vaginal thrush. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera contains vitamins, enzymes and amino acids that help inhibit the growth of Candida. It also has anti-inflammatory, anti-irritating and antifungal properties that help control and treat vaginal thrush. A 2012 study published in Mycos's journal found that aloe vera fresh leaves plant extract can help reduce the growth and germ tube formation of Candida albicans. Prepare aloe vera juice by blending together 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 cup of orange juice, or just plain water. Drink this aloe vera juice once daily for a few days. You can also extract the gel from an aloe leaf and apply it on the affected area a few times daily until the infection clears. Note: make sure to wash the aloe leaves thoroughly before use. Also, do not drink aloe juice in excess as it may cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil stands out as a natural remedy for vaginal thrush. It has effective antifungal properties that can kill the fungi responsible for yeast infections. A 2007 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food analyzed the effectiveness of coconut oil against a range of fungal organisms and found that the oil's medium-chain fats were effective at killing 52 types of Candida species. Directly apply extra virgin coconut oil topically on the affected area 2 or 3 times a day until you see improvement. You can also include it in your daily diet. Start with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil daily and gradually increase the dosage to up to 3 tablespoons per day. Number 3. Yogurt. Yogurt contains good bacteria or probiotics and thus helps maintain the proper balance of good bacteria to keep yeast from overgrowing. A 1992 study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine reports that daily ingestion of 8 ounces of yogurt containing lactobacillus acidophilus decreased both candidal colonization and infection. Dip a tampon in yogurt and insert it in the vagina for 2 hours. After removing it, clean the area with lukewarm water and pat dry thoroughly. Do this twice a day. Also, include yogurt containing live cultures in your diet. You can also opt to take probiotic supplements after consulting your doctor. Note: for treating a yeast infection, only use plain, unsweetened yogurt. Any sweetened yogurt will only worsen the condition. Number 4. Oil of oregano. The oil of oregano made from wild oregano is another effective treatment for vaginal thrush. Oregano oil contains 2 naturally occurring antimicrobial agents, carvacrol and thymol, which help dehydrate and kill Candida yeast cells. This oil is not only an antifungal, but also has antiviral, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. A 2001 study published in Molecular and Cellular Biochemistry found that wild oregano oil either stopped or slowed down the growth of yeast depending on the dosage used. Dilute oregano oil with an equal amount of olive oil and apply it on your vagina topically 2 or 3 times a day for a week. Alternatively, you can take 1 or 2 capsules of oregano oil twice daily for a week. Note: as this oil is a natural blood thinner, do not take it if you are taking blood thinners or have blood clotting issues. Also, pregnant women should avoid oregano oil. Number 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a potent antiseptic agent that can help treat vaginal yeast infection effectively. However, it should always be used in diluted form. A 2003 study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy highlights the therapeutic effectiveness of tea tree oil against fungi, in particular, against Candida albicans. Add 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil to 4 cups of water. Use the solution to wash the vaginal area 2 times daily until the infection is under control. Another option is to add some tea tree oil to your bath water and take a long, relaxing soak. Note: never ingest tea tree oil. Pregnant women should not use tea tree oil in any form. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is another effective herbal remedy to treat mild to moderate vaginal thrush. It has a natural antifungal property that helps control the growth of yeast and hence provides relief from uncomfortable symptoms. A 2005 study published in Antimicrobial Agents in Chemotherapy highlights the antifungal activity of fresh garlic extract against Candida albicans. Take a clove of fresh garlic and peel off the natural, white paper shell that covers it. At bedtime, put the clove into the vagina. The next morning, remove the garlic clove and clean the vagina with lukewarm water. Do this once daily for 2 or 3 days. Eat a few fresh garlic cloves daily and also include it in your cooking. You can opt to take garlic tablets or supplements after consulting your doctor. Number 7. Olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extract is another effective home remedy for treating vaginal thrush due to its potent antiviral and antifungal properties. It can kill any parasites you have growing and breeding inside of you. It is also beneficial at restoring the balance between good bacteria and yeast in your vagina. Drink 2 to 3 cups of olive leaf tea daily. To make the tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive leaf in a cup of boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain it. You can opt to take olive leaf extract 250 to 500 milligrams 3 times daily. However, consult your doctor for the proper dosage for you. Number 8. Baking soda. Baking soda is another powerful yeast and fungus killer, and hence very effective in the treatment of vaginal yeast infections. According to a 2009 study published in Brazilian Oral Research, 5% sodium bicarbonate is effective against Candida albicans. Mix 1 cup of baking soda in a bathtub filled with warm water. Soak in it for 10 to 15 minutes once daily for 1 week. You can also dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once daily on an empty stomach for 2 weeks. Take a break for 2 weeks and repeat again for another 2 weeks. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please hit the like button below. Make sure you subscribe us, because we post health benefit related video every single day. If you have a request for a video, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye.